Hello, let's look at this example. So this can be solved a few ways, which we're going to learn, but I want to solve it during this using the square root property to see how that works in this case. So here I see that I have terms with n squared and terms with n. So you wouldn't want it to just isolate the n squared because you would have n's and numbers on the other side. So you want to factor this as a parentheses, as a perfect square. So this factors as 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. So it's a perfect square. All right, and we're going to write it as a square. 2n plus 1 squared equals 16. All right, so we're going to take the square root of this equals plus or minus the square root of 16. Cancel out the square. And we get 2n plus 1 equals plus or minus 4. Alright, so let's subtract 1 from both sides. We get 2n is negative 1 plus or minus 4, and divide by 2, so n equals negative 1 plus or minus 4 over 2. Alright, now if this had a radical on it, this is where you stop, but if it doesn't have a radical, we can simplify more. So we're going to split it up into the two choices, one with a plus, one with a minus. Negative 1 plus 4 over 2 is 3 over 2. So this is one solution. And negative 1 minus 4 over 2 gives me negative 5 over 2. So that's my second solution. All right.